Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect medium-boiled eggs. First, choose fresh eggs and a saucepan that allows them to sit in a single layer. Fill the pan with water, ensuring it covers the eggs by about 1 inch. Now, bring this water to a rapid, rolling boil over high heat. This initial step is crucial for consistent results and easier peeling later on, so don't rush it. Once your water is at a rolling boil, carefully lower each egg into the pot using a slotted spoon to prevent cracking. After all eggs are in, reduce the heat slightly to maintain a gentle, consistent boil, not a vigorous one. Set your timer for precisely 7 to 8 minutes. This duration will give you that delightful jammy, slightly soft yolk with fully set whites. As soon as your timer goes off, it's critical to stop the cooking process immediately. Have an ice bath ready, a bowl filled with cold water and a generous amount of ice cubes. Use your slotted spoon to quickly move the eggs from the hot water directly into this ice bath. Let them cool completely for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This prevents overcooking and helps with peeling. Once the eggs are thoroughly cooled, it's time to peel them. Gently tap each egg on a hard surface to create small cracks across the entire shell. Then, roll the egg between your palms to help loosen the shell and the inner membrane. For the easiest peeling, try doing it under cool running water, starting from the wider end where an air pocket often forms. Enjoy your perfectly medium-boiled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.